Eevelle designs and manufactures high-quality performance products for those who love the outdoors. Windstorm boat covers are a waterproof line of semi-custom boat covers that are handcrafted in North America with the highest quality in mind. If you're looking for a top-of-the-line waterproof line of semi-custom boat covers, then look no further than the Windstorm Series boat covers. Windstorm boat covers are available in over 40 patterns to match various boat styles. They're made in 1-foot increments of length to ensure a snug and tight fit. Windstorm Cooltech Covers are manufactured with Perfecta Marine Aqualon Edge fabric. Cooltech covers are specially suited for very wet conditions or extreme heat. This cutting-edge material is 100% waterproof and offers unrivaled heat reduction, heat reflection, and UV resistance to keep shaded surfaces protected. The fabric is specially designed to reduce heat buildup by 30%. Covers come with sewn-in shock cord in the hem, heavy-duty XT strap kit, and stuff sack. Windstorm boat covers are high-performance, full-featured covers made with Aqualon Cooltech marine-grade fabric. Windstorm Cooltech covers are designed to provide years of waterproof protection. Eevelle, quality and performance by design.